Welcome to Standard 10th English. In this video, we will read the profile of the scientist Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, who has written the essay The Elixir of Life. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born in the year 1888 and died in 1970. He is famous for his work on the scattering of light. When he first learned about the Compton effect of X-rays producing an increase in the wavelength, Raman became convinced that this effect could also hold true for light. After several experiments, he discovered that when passed through a transparent medium, some of the light that is scattered has different wavelengths. Popularly called the Raman effect, it won him the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics. Although the essay Elixir of Life describes how plain water, the commonest of all substances, is the elixir of life, the essayist C.V. Raman also explains the process of soil erosion and its causes. In his essay The Elixir of Life, the scientist C.V. Raman has written that the flow of water has undoubtedly played a great part and a beneficent one in the geological processes by which the soil on the Earth's surface has been formed from the rocks of its crust. The same agency, however, under appropriate conditions, can also play a destructive part and wash away the soil, which is the foundation of all agriculture, and if allowed to proceed unchecked, can have the most disastrous effects on the life of the country. Sir C.V. Raman explains that the problem of soil erosion is one of serious importance in various countries, and especially in many parts of India. The conditions under which it occurs and the measures by which it can be checked deserve the closest study. Soil erosion occurs in successive steps, the earliest of which may easily pass unnoticed. In the later stages, the cutting up and washing away of the earth is only too painfully apparent in the formation of deep gullies and ravines which make all agriculture impossible. Sudden bursts of excessively heavy rain resulting in a large run of surplus water are the principal factors in causing soil erosion. Contributory causes are the slope of the land, removal of the natural protective coat of vegetation, the existence of ruts along which the water can flow with rapidly gathering momentum, and the absence of any checks to such flow. Incredibly large quantities of precious soil can be washed away if such conditions exist, as is unhappily too often the case. The menace which soil erosion presents to the continuance of successful agriculture is an alarming one in many parts of India, calling urgently for attention and preventive action. The terracing of the land, the construction of bunds to check the flow of water, the practice of contour cultivation, and the planting of appropriate types of vegetation are amongst the measures that have been suggested. It is obvious that the aim should be to check the flow of water at the earliest possible stage before it has acquired any appreciable momentum and correspondingly large destructive power. These are the observations that Sir C.V. Raman has written in his essay, The Elixir of Life. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope you found it useful in the English lesson.